Animal behavior appears to contain both similar and distinct aspects to that of humans. Tomorrow evening there will be a panel discussion on sustainable development. It's a great privilege to welcome our guest speaker to our college. Key aspects of this investigative paradigm may prove useful in other spheres. Scientists have found all parts of science. All laboratory equipment will be provided in class. The key findings seem to contradict our initial hypothesis. Students' papers should be about a current social issue. The college operates on a system of continuous assessments. Sleep is believed to play a critical role in storing memories.
Students who study overseas can significantly improve work chances.
Please note, submission deadlines are only negotiable in exceptional circumstances. Tuesday is the final day for students to submit their assignments without any penalty. The paper has the potential to transform life science. The capacity of programming computers is expanding enormously every year. Eating a healthy breakfast can provide energy throughout the day. The bibliography needs to be removed prior to the publication. Students can borrow this book for a maximum of 1 day. The cafeteria is open on Monday and Thursday. Many experts think that the world climate is changing. Accommodations on campus are limited, but there are more options nearby. The temporary library will be closed in the winter break. Children enjoy a healthy lifestyle when they live in a healthy family. Researchers have observed that family plays a crucial role in the success of individuals. A good education helps you recognize yourself and your strengths. During the childhood development, the importance of education is stronger than ever.